Emma, I should call John now.
He might be resting, dear.
No, I need to check on him.
David, please stop pacing around.
I am just worried about him.
You are making me dizzy.
I am sorry. I cannot help it.
The fruit basket is ready.
Good. It has vitamins for him.
Are you sure we should go? What do you mean? He just had surgery yesterday.
That is why we must visit.
He must be in pain still.
He needs to see friendly faces.
Maybe he does not want visitors.
Dad, is Uncle John okay? Is he hurt badly?
Did the doctor give him a shot?
Is the needle big? Is the needle big? Like this big? Oh no. A big injection.
Will he cry from it?
Mom, I cry when I get shots. Listen carefully, both of you.
Uncle John is in the hospital.
The doctors are helping him there. There.
The injection helps him get better.
It stops the pain he feels. That makes sense.
I understand now.
We are going to make him smile.
A happy mind helps healing.
Now, let us go together.
We are almost there now. The hospital is very big. Wow, Dad! Look at that car!
Which one, Tom?
It is so loud! Why does it have red lights? And that loud sound?
That is an ambulance, Tom.
It carries people who need help fast.
The loud sound is a siren.
What does the siren do?
It tells other cars to move.
Yes, it is for emergencies.
They must drive fast to help people.
Does the ambulance go where we go?
Yes, to the emergency room.
Doctors are waiting there for them. Oh no! This parking lot is confusing.
Where is an empty spot?
Dad, go left.
No, go right instead.
Huh?
Dad, you missed a spot.
Oh, wait. It is too small.
Keep looking, David.
Follow the signs for visitor parking.
Dad, look over there.
Visitor parking is on the right.
I see it now.
Thank you, Lily.
Finally, perfect parking.
Great. Now, let us go inside.
Mom, it smells funny in here. It is the smell of antiseptic. What is antiseptic?
Oh. It keeps the hospital clean.
Wait, everyone, look at this machine.
Hospitals have many germs around.
We must clean our hands first.
Rub your hands like this.
It feels cool on my skin.
It's
smells like lemons. I like it. Bye, germs. I am clean now. Mom, the elevator. Let us race.
First one there wins. Tom, Lily, stop right now.
Look around you both.
A hospital needs to be quiet.
People who do not feel well need rest.
The rule is walk, do not run.
And keep your voice down.
I am sorry, Mom. We will walk quietly now.
Good afternoon. I am looking for a patient.
Good afternoon. What is the patient's name?
His name is John Smith.
Let me check for you.
He came in for stomach surgery yesterday.
John Smith. Ah, yes. Found him.
Where is he staying?
He is in room 305. Which floor is that? Which floor is that? It is on the 3rd floor.
How do we get there? Good.
Please take the elevator over there. Please take the elevator over there.
Room 305. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Have a good visit.
Let us go in now. Wait, Tom. Do not go in yet.
Why? The door is open.
We must let people get out first. Oh, I did not think of that. If we block the door, no one moves.
Good thinking, Lily.
Wait for them to exit first.
Okay, now it is empty.
Let us go in, team. Knock, knock. Hello, old friend.
David, Emma, and the kids. So nice.
Hello, Aunt Linda. Here is a fruit basket.
I am getting better slowly.
We washed them carefully for you. I hope you get well soon. Thank you so much, children.
Aunt Linda, what is that bottle?
That is my medicine.
What kind of medicine?
La.
It is called an IV drip.
What does it do?
It goes right into my red paint.
Does the needle hurt?
Is it surprising?
Just a little bit. How does it feel? Oh,
It feels like a small ant bite.
yeah?
But it helps you heal. No.
Yes, it helps my stomach stop hurting.
Wow. What is this remote control? It has many buttons on it.
So, when can you go home?
Whoa! What is happening?
The bed is moving.
Are you okay, Aunt Linda?
I am fine. Just surprised.
Tom, stop! Put that down immediately.
I just wanted to see.
Tom, listen to me carefully.
This is medical equipment.
It is not a toy. A toy.
You know? If you touch it, you can cause harm.
William. Never touch hospital equipment.
Do you understand? I am sorry, Aunt Linda.
He did not mean to do that. Yeah. I am sorry, Mom. I will not do it again.
It is okay, Tom.
Just be careful next time. Just be careful next time.
I am fine now.
Good afternoon. Checking in on the patient.
How are you now?
How are you feeling now? A little better today.
Your stomach is improving.
That is good news. Wait, Brad.
But we need to talk about lifestyle.
Doctor, why did she get this condition?
She is usually so strong.
No, I work too hard.
What else?
I stay up late, often.
And your eating habits? I eat a lot of junk food.
That is the problem.
Your body needs proper care.
Here are the rules for healthy living.
I am listening carefully.
Number 1, eat more vegetables.
And drink plenty of water. No.
No more bad food choices.
I understand.
Number 2, sleep on time.
Rest is very important.
Number 3, get regular checkups.
Do not wait until you are in pain.
Oh no. I love burgers too.
And I dislike checkups as well.
But seeing you here worries me.
David, look at me.
I am listening.
Do not be stubborn like I was.
What do you mean? Health is wealth, my friend.
That is true. That is true.
Do not wait until it hurts.
You are right, Aunt Linda.
I learned a big lesson today.
Then I will book a checkup tomorrow.
And change my habits too. I am glad to hear that.
Prevention is better than cure.
Kids, stay healthy always. And remember to be quiet in hospitals.
Hurry! The rain is coming fast!
Wait. I hear something.
Huh? What is that sound?
It sounds like crying. Oh no. Someone left a box here.
Oh, he is so small. He is shaking from the cold.
Who leaves a puppy here?
The hell? That is terrible.
We cannot leave him in the rain.
Let us go to the animal shelter.
I am sorry. The shelter is full today.
No empty cages at all?
We have no space right now.
We can help.
Can we keep him at our house?
Just until you have space.
Really? Thank you so much.
We are happy to help.
Please foster him for 1 week.
Mission accepted.
He is hiding under the chair.
He is scared of us. It is okay, little friend.
Come here. You are safe now.
Look, look! He likes you, Tom. You need a name. You need a name. What should we call him? I will call you Stormy.
Stormy! That is a good name. Hello, Stormy.
Welcome. I want to hug you. Can he sleep in my bed tonight? We cannot hug him yet. Why not, Mom?
Why?
Why not, Mom?
He needs a bath first.
From dirty to clean. Look at his fur now. It is so fluffy.
He smells like shampoo.
Can I give him a sausage?
No, Tom. Sausages are too salty.
Human food is not good for dogs.
Let us give him puppy food.
Okay, Mom. Healthy food it is.
And the dragon flew away. The end. I am so tired now. Good boy, Stormy.
He feels safe with you, Tom.
Sit still, Stormy. Let me brush you.
Is his fur soft?
Yes, his fur is soft and smooth.
Go fetch, Stormy. Run fast. Good job. You are a smart dog.
All right, everyone.
It is Sunday. The week is over.
What does that mean?
We have to take Stormy back. Mom, please do not take him back. He is part of our family now.
Emma, the kids are right.
I think we should keep him.
You really want him to stay?
Well, I have a surprise.
What is it, Mom?
Well, I called the shelter this morning.
You did.
What did they say?
I told them the adoption begins.
What does that mean?
Stormy is officially ours now.
Yay! Welcome home, Stormy!
We are so happy with Stormy.
Our family is complete now.
Welcome to your forever home, Stormy.